The ancient Hebrew language was created using symbols called pictographs. Here at Teshuva Bible Studies, we examine words and their origins using these symbols. Today, in honor of Mother's Day, we will take a look at the word mother. In Hebrew, the word for mother is em. Elegant, simple, and direct, most words were created with two symbols. They had many known interpretations and depending on their usage, could represent many things. For instance, the pictograph for Aleph was the head of an ox. Its symbolic meaning includes oneness of God, head, first, chief, and as it is tied to the ox, it can also mean strength or power because of the ox's incredible brute strength. Men's literal meaning is waters in plural because water can be in more than one state, calm or chaotic. It is directly tied to motherhood since the childbearing process begins with the breaking of the water. The aleph in this case is representing strength and the mem is simply water. For the ancients, the mixture that produced glue was called strong water because it was still liquid, but had a binding agent that was able to combine things and hold them in place. And that is why mom was equated to the word glue. For it is the mom who brings the family together during meals, celebrations, vacations, and moments we cherish and share. The mom is the binding agent or glue for most families. She's the person we can always count on to bring unconditional love to not only just family members, but oftentimes friends and neighbors. This message goes out to all the moms out there. Today's your day, and we wanted to remind you how important you are. Shalom.